So, Mr. Harish, could you please help us with your quick introduction, like who you are and what you do?
As you know, I am been a manufacturing and supply operation consultant. It's been a journey with multiple business enterprises. I started my career with an SPM, that special purpose munition manufacturing. Post that into OE automotive sector, then export oriented fabrication units, and also into startup. These are different kinds of caps where I weighed and performed and orchestrated multiple things with respect to manufacturing, supply, operations, and also logistics, some of the part, including CDCs and everything. So this is briefing out, and I hold already a graduation in engineering and post-graduation in engineering respectively.
Thanks for sharing. So good to know about you. That was quite brief. So, Mr. Harish, aspirationally, 1 year from now, what do you really need to be doing?
Being now on to consulting and executing multiple ideas with respect to present marketing and business trends, right? Been working on certain sectors like FMCG, automotive, and also on the agri things, where contributing something which will be a value added towards GDP is what I looking in. So that's a role. That's a goal which I look as handling multiple teams and multiple cities. It's a passion which created that something with respect to these things has to be worked on. So that's where I'm looking and how to move forward from here.
Amazing. So, Mr. Harish, our executives at IPL, they choose our program for multiple unique aspects. So, what are the top 2 unique aspects for you to choose this program?
I'll come to that. I have this doubt because I already hold a PG in engineering. Why I should do an Executive MBA again? And I have certain recommendations with respect to doctorate in business administration and everything. So past experience with the online methodologies and other things, which was not very approachable to me, and this IPL gave me confidence because it's an offline program basically, and the coherent which has been done here and the networking it is getting created on one-to-one meeting, it's quite impressive to me, and I always opted with these 2 points to be being one of the core.
So, the 2 unique aspects for you is, I think, the peer network you are getting, of the learn by doing, offline thing that you can regularly visit to the campus, and one-on-one mentoring that you have in here with the industry aspects. Great. So that's it. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.